welcome to Gravity Predictions. In this video, I'm going to show you a unique fruit found in Western Ghats. This fruit is found abundantly in areas where they get high rainfalls. This miniature jackfruit has got spiky skin on the outside and tender flesh in the inside. The major highlight of this fruit is that its seeds can be dried and roasted in sand. This can be served as a tasty dish which is a favorite among children. So let's jump right into the video.
Wild jackfruit isn't just a fruit, but a story. The story of a culture and childhood dipped deep in memories of a long forgotten countryside. Long before mobiles and TV, there lived kids who played through the day and ate whatever they got on the way. So mostly, along with fleshy mangoes and guavas, there was wild jackfruit. That was more than enough for their appetite. So this video is dedicated to these children who woke up and played all day long, wandering and understanding different lives while tasting the heart of their country before they became able men and women leading the next generation. Its fruits are sweet, edible, and bright yellow in color. It is covered with spikes on the outside and seeds in the inside. These are usually used as an ingredient in snacks. Ripe fruits are cooling in nature and considered as an aphrodisiac. Its bark has the properties to cure ulcers, diarrhea, and pimples. A roasted seeds powder mixed with honey is used in the treatment of asthma. Oil from these fruits can be used for the treatment of skin diseases. For the extraction of oil, anili seeds are boiled in water for 15 minutes. Once it cools, water with these seeds are kept for a day. The oil appeared on the surface is collected and can be applied on the skin for the treatment of various skin ailments. Kerala's own fruit, locally called anili or scientifically Artocarpus hirsutus, belongs to the Moraceae family. Aini or anili is a tall evergreen tree, generally 20 to 25 meter in height and up to 5 meter in girth. Its fruits are edible, bright yellow, ovoid or globosum covered with spines, seeds, ovoid and white. The tree in itself is a tree of life. Its fruits are eaten by birds, animals. The leaves are used as organic manure and provides shade. Wild jackfruit requires warm, humid climate and heavy rainfall. It thrives in any type of soil. It is common in Western Ghats from North Karnataka to Malabar and Travancore. This tree is propagated through seeds or by grafting. Flowering season is from December to January and fruits ripe in May and June. This tree is almost as strong as teak and has advantage of lightness. In the west coast, it is used for all purposes for which teak is employed. For boat and shipbuilding, construction works, furniture, and for agricultural implements. Its seeds are roasted, eaten, and contains 16 to 70% of oil used locally in medicines. Not only is it a favorite among kids, but also among animals. Our goat is a major ambassador and fan of this fruit. The seeds are thoroughly washed and dried in the sun, after which an earthen pot is heated with sand inside. The seeds are then poured and roasted in the sand. Wild jackfruit is a bittersweet reminder of the times when food was scarce and everything was treasured. Thus, this becomes a memory without a price tag of a wonderful time, even in the midst of nothingness. It is then winnowed to remove excess sand, and the outer covering is also removed before it is served as snacks. The raw fruit can also be cooked, for which the skin is peeled off and steamed for some time. Having this will reduce backache and stomach problems. As all good things in life comes in small packages, wild jackfruit is one among them. So, taste the goodness and remember the fond memories you had of eating wild jackfruit. This is a tribute to a lot of good memories and a lot of good time spent with friends and family. The wild jackfruit tree is prized for its durable timber. The timber was used extensively in the construction of ceilings, door frames, and furniture in older buildings, especially in Kerala. The famous snake boards of Kerala are often hewn out of the Ainis wood. 140 tons of wood from Kerala was used for Tim Severin's ship Sohar, in which he travelled from Muscat to Canton in 1980 to 81.
Hope you guys got the taste of wild jackfruit, also called as Anikavada in Malayalam. To get an exclusive access to our channel, tap on the join button and become the member of our channel. Also get your customized sweatshirts from Teespring by clicking the link down below. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel Gravity Productions and tap on the bell icon.